Hi everyone, Rhonda from Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry here. I am going to be talking about these three black and whites. All three of these are just gorgeous, and I used black and white, and the white that I used was actually house paint. And so I get this little cloud effect happening within these, and I just love how they all kind of go together. And if you love black and whites, you're gonna love this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to click that notification button and comment down below. Tell me what you think, tell me what you like. I really am enjoying doing these videos, and of course, I really enjoy painting. So thanks a lot. I'll catch you on the canvas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Tell me what you liked about this, what you'd like to see in the future, and then of course don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you can get notifications when I get a new video up. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.